First, we need 500 grams of peanuts, thoroughly washed with water and lemon pieces. Then, we dry them well to remove all moisture. Next, we divide them into halves. 250 grams are left raw, while the other 250 grams are mixed with a little oil and placed in the oven at 180 C 356F until they turn golden brown for roasting. We need 300 grams of well-cleaned sesame seeds. We grind 200 grams finely and mix them with the filling, while 100 grams are kept for garnish. Preheat the oven to 180 C 356F. 2. Spread the sesame seeds in a single layer on a baking tray. 3. Toast them for 5–10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn golden brown. 4. Remove from the oven and let them cool before use. Grind everything finely. Then add 150 grams of sugar and grind everything together again. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Add 2 nutmegs finely grated. Grate the nutmeg. Add 2 tablespoons of Nestle caramel. – 150 grams of butter. Add 150 grams of butter and 100 milliliters of orange blossom water, which have been melted together over heat. Shape the filling into small fingers or balls as desired. After shaping the balls, wrap them in plastic wrap and leave them in the fridge for an hour. We will need 1 kilogram of phyllo pastry. Then, cut it into long strips, about 5-6 cm wide. After cutting it, you should place it in plastic wrap while working. We will need a little bit of oil to brush the pastry. We will need this mixture made of 1 tablespoon of flour and 2 tablespoons of water to seal the edge of the BRIOUAT. Place a piece of the filling at the end of the strip and fold it into a triangle shape until the end of the strip. Moisten the last edge with a little water or the flour and water mixture to seal it properly. When placing them on the plate, make sure to place them on the side where you sealed them with the water and flour mixture. Now, after covering them well with plastic wrap and leaving them in the fridge overnight, we will begin frying. Heat a quantity of oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Fry the BRIOUAT until they turn golden and crispy. Then place them in a container to drain excess oil. Then place them directly in cold honey for a few minutes, then drain. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and let them cool before serving. They can be stored in a well-sealed container in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for new and delicious recipes. Enjoy your meal.